the C, the big C. You know, the big center. Yeah, another day.
Yes.
Hey, the last one was heartbreaking. That one I don't want you to talk about it. But thank you so much for you who have commented on it. We appreciate your comment, and we, dear, as I said last time, we'll be carrying this comment now to the people who are asking us questions. In addition to what we are also, you know, advising them. Yes. Yeah, before we go into our this episode, which is something that will make you I want to, you know, let me have this time to, you know, ask you, just to request you, you know, just to subscribe if you haven't been subscribed, and then hit the notification button so that you must not miss this. This is big, you cannot miss an episode. We have a lot of them, hundreds and hundreds. I don't know if we'll finish this.
It's just a lot.
Yeah, it will. Since we don't have also time, you know, we work and working, you know,
every day, so it will take us much time.
It will go 2022. You understand? So we have a lot. We have a library here. You know, we have a library here.
And I know we are still receiving more.
That's the point. Every day, you know, we are just receiving. So this is something else. So we want to just, you know, go there and do what we can do.
Yeah.
We cannot disappoint people who are writing to us. You know, we have really to try our best and find time.
Yes.
To know just to answer.
Have to make time.
We have to make it. Exactly. So our story for today, what do we have there? This is something else.
Yes.
You know, this is the pa. So what do you have?
Welcome everyone. Okay, it says, hi Uncle C.
Hi. Yes.
It reads, my boyfriend still stays the night at his ex-wife's house when he goes to visit his son. I've been told by another girl that he still has sex with his ex-wife when he goes to visit, and that they don't sleep separately. Of course, I asked him, and he denies that it happens anymore. I think it is inappropriate that he stays the night at her house. My sister said I need to put my foot down on this matter. I get upset when he stays over there, but not until after the fact. It bothers me a lot because I know he is still in love with her and would do anything she told him to, including sex. She is very controlling, and he was very down on himself and overweight when they were together, just like she wanted him to be. Now he looks very fit and he is happy with me. I am good to him. I am afraid she will sleep with him just to know she still controls him. What can I do, Uncle C? Is it unreasonable to ask him not to sleep over? That's your question.
Wow.
That is our question for today.
This is a very, you know, complicated,
controversial
story. Do you understand?
Yes.
Very controversial story. Guys, what we are looking at here, you know, a man was married. Do you understand? He divorced the wife.
Yeah.
You know, or maybe the wife divorced him. We don't know what has happened here. Do you understand? So this man, he moved on and find another girl who appeared to be seriously in love. Yes, but the problem with that, this man, you know, he still, you know, goes back, of which he has to go back because he has a son. Do you understand? So he has to go back and see the son. But here we understand that when he goes and sees the son, he still goes back into the blanket. Do you understand? So now I really don't know, you know, I don't understand. There are certain things that I don't understand
in life.
You know, my sister, thank you so much for writing to us.
Thank you so
we
much.
Want to look at this microscopically. Do you understand? So that we can see what is really dancing here. Something, there is a game here. Do you understand? The Game of the Throne.
Yes.
It's a Game of the Throne.
Yes, the Game of Thrones is here. So it needs microscopic eyes.
Yeah, exactly. You know, something that I don't understand in this. You can see that the meme,
Mm.
she does not have first-hand evidence. She just heard it.
Yeah,
She just heard it.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Just hearing from
Yeah, she
people.
just heard it from somebody, of which really we cannot, because once she heard, she asked him,
Yeah.
and they denied
He
it.
denied.
You understand?
He denied.
So now, but from there onward, we don't hear any new evidence to say, me myself, I caught him red-handed, like the story.
Previously.
The previous story. Do you understand? That one is undeniable. Undeniable.
Yes.
Red daylight.
Mhm.
You understand? But in this story, something is fishy.
There are
Because
many
he
loopholes.
heard it.
Mm.
Do you understand? He heard it from a third party. So we cannot conclude
Yeah.
whether there was such. Do you understand?
Mhm.
Exactly. And the other thing that I've seen here is that this meme, she knows that this
The
guy,
guy,
You know,
the man,
he still loves.
the ex.
you know, it bothers me a lot because I know he still loves her.
her, and will do anything.
When did she know this? When did she know that this guy loves her?
Maybe when they're in the relationship, maybe.
When they're in the relationship or before the relationship? Or when they were just already in the relationship?
I think when they're in the relationship. Because maybe she learned some things that are happening.
Okay. Maybe she learned something.
There are some.
Yeah.
Some
You know, this is
factors.
a mistake that we normally do sometimes. You know, when you fall in love with somebody, or somebody comes to you and tells you about, oh, I was this a wife. You know, sometimes we must what we call the background check. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Go to the other side and tell the person that, you know, actually your husband who has come to me in the name of former. Do you understand? Or the ex, as they say, those who speak English. He has come to me and said, between you and him is over.
It's over.
Can you confirm the story?
Of course.
Do you understand? Then the woman will tell you that no, that's what has happened, this is what has happened, but I still love, but he still loves me.
Do they say?
He will. They will.
Some
Yes.
people just want to block
No,
you.
he does not play. Yeah. If he blocks you, it's fine. He has saved you. Do you understand? He has actually saved you. Do you understand? You must also just investigate for yourself. You understand? You can see this. Now she tells her that she can see that you know, there's still some love game
She
between them.
knows.
Do you understand? So it's a good thing to do. When you are falling in love with separate from the other relationship, you must always investigate.
Yeah.
Do you understand? Whether there are still some links
Yes.
somewhere there. Do you understand? You must also, you know, try to really go deeper and try to, you know, because why I'm saying like this, let me say if they just break out of, you know, texts. Do you understand? Because the most disappointed men or disappointed woman, they are always quick to find a shoulder to cry on. What more if you are that shoulder?
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
What happens if the person is healed? He's going to leave
They'll
you.
go back,
They'll
yeah.
go back there.
Mm.
They'll make up. Do you understand? And this is what I see here. Do you understand?
Okay.
Because if this is the ex-wife, let's assume it is true that they are sleeping together. So it means whatever separated them is no more longer there, or they put it behind. Do you understand?
Okay, they are willing to move
They
forward.
are willing now to move forward. Do you understand?
Yes.
But now there is somebody.
A crying shoulder now
Yeah.
is waiting.
The crying shoulder is waiting, say, but you know, remember when you left her, you came to me, and I did this to you. Now you look, you know, presentable, presentable and sexy, and you want to leave me now.
Imagine.
And go back there.
Where you were overweight, I see this.
Actually, he was overweight. Yes. That's the point. Do you understand? So, but
Now he's fit and happy.
now he's fit and happy.
Do you mean to tell me that if he was happy, what was the reason for him to go back again where he was mistreated?
I don't think he was mistreated there. They were just a misunderstanding. You know, when people breaks on misunderstanding, those people, they still love each other. It's just that they have misunderstanding.
Yes.
Do you understand? So always, that relationship will always move in the background. When these two people meet,
There will always be
always something will happen. Do you understand? Because it did not break on the real reasoning. It was just a matter of misunderstanding and somebody, okay, if you don't want, just go. If you want what, I don't care. Do you understand? But when you go down and sit there, you begin to miss your sweetheart. You begin to chat. You begin to chat, you know. When you begin to chat, you are connecting. The next day, can we meet?
Yes.
When you meet, you know,
That's
since
connection
the heart
too, yeah.
will begin to move when the palpitate. You understand? Papa. When it's papa, you feel like, oh, What is this now? So you'll find yourself caught up between two bricks. You understand? Here you have already told somebody you love the person. Here the love of whatsoever there is back.
The mother of the mama.
The baby's mama or whoever there. Yes, but let's look at it microscopically. You know, those are some of the things that we just wanted to highlight to understand. And the other thing is that this guy, I don't see the reason why he sleeps there. That's why this is an ex-wife. You understand? You don't go and sleep with your ex-wife. If this guy he really want to make up, if these two they want to make up, they might just be honest.
Yes,
They have a son. We know there's something connecting them.
Yes.
You understand? So if this guy he want to make up with this man, with the ex-wife, so-called the ex-wife, he must just speak the truth.
Yes.
He might just tell you that, please, this was just misunderstanding. I think I'm thinking to go back to to the mother of my child. You understand? It's something like that.
Yes.
Than to
waste
pray.
people's time and then you want to break other people's hearts
exactly,
again.
exactly. Do you understand? So now, the question is very simple to answer. This guy, it said, is it unreasonable to ask him to stop to sleep over? It's not unreasonable. It's reasonable.
Yes.
Do you understand? Because he told you that is the ex. So why should he sleep to the ex? You were supposed to sleep to the current. Do you understand? To the current, you are the current person. So if you want to sleep, you want to do what? That's why he came to you and they proposed you. So he must sleep there.
Yes.
So for him to go back that side, it's very insulting.
Yes.
And the lack of respect, disrespectful. And this guy, I think, is a sex predator. He has no shame. I think he's just looking for sexual attention.
I think so.
He has no vision, he has no goals. You don't do things like that.
Yeah.
Do you understand? These are some of the things also that we normally say. The idea of because there's a problem, we just run away.
Yes.
It will always come to things like this. Do you understand? It will always come to this. That's why we always say people, they must give themselves time. Do you understand?
Yes.
Don't just rush when you come from a relationship and start having somebody. No, you did not give yourself time. You understand? When you move on there, you begin to face other things. And the person you left behind begin to show up. You begin to say, wow, should I take 2 shots or 1? And if you take 1 shot, you have the other one.
That's the thing.
Because
you don't want to have the other one.
That's the point. Exactly.
Which will haunt you more even in the future.
That's the point.
And the other thing that I also want to is my sister who is writing there.
Yes, she's the
yes.
Yeah.
My sister, the other mistake that I see, I'm not saying maybe whatever that you think.
Yes.
I just want to tell you that there is a mistake that you did here. In the first place, we are not supposed to allow this guy, because it's like when we read, I've seen a part where it says he used to sleep over.
Yes.
You were not supposed you were supposed to address it right away when he started going there, and when he goes to see a son, he sleep over.
Yes.
So now it's already out of hand. So the thing that I want to say is that let's address the problem once we just notice it.
That's the point.
When you see that there is a problem here, let's address it before the fire keeps burning.
Escalate.
Yes.
Sometimes we tend to avoid, thinking that they will correct themselves. There's nothing that will ever correct itself.
No.
It has to be corrected by somebody.
Yes.
And it requires a brave person. A person with courage to say this must stop now.
Right. Yes.
Do you understand? But if you just say, I'm suspecting here, I'm suspecting, things going on. When it begins to have roots, even if you come to a point where you know it's true, it's very difficult to
uproot it. Yes.
Exactly. Just mention it, just say no, something is weird.
And you keep letting yourself. Each time you go there,
understand?
he's going to sleep. So just address it right now. My friend, you go see your son, you come back.
Exactly.
Or if you want to bring the son to sleep over, bring the son here, we sleep over.
Exactly. The thing is that how can one fall in love with somebody, yet this person loves the other person? That is a danger. These are some of the things that will cost our happiness.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? Ignoring.
Because
you want to place yourself as somebody better.
Yes, I'm going to do better than her.
Do you understand?
Yes.
I'm better than her. We have seen these things among women.
Yeah, they happen.
Do you understand? At the end of the day, you find 2 women, they are fighting over
yes.
men. And the other one want to show what you is trying to,
that's why he left you.
Exactly.
He came for me. It's because he's saying something better than
me.
You are a lady, you are a woman, my friend.
Do you understand? You check about the Bantanta thing. You always tell them there's no need for you to fight. It's this guy.
Yes.
It's
The
this
problem
woman.
is this one.
Do you understand? Deal with this person. Do you understand? But what do the old people do? You know, that's why I left you. Yeah, because you. So you cannot even see it that one day you will do this. What he has done to her.
It will happen.
It will happen
They
to
say
me.
what goes around comes around.
Exactly. But people don't see it.
Yes.
We ignore these things. You think. I think maybe felt like it's better than the ex.
The ex.
You know, you'll be able to handle this guy, keep him.
But obviously,
like
when you know, as ladies, we are people who just, you know, we are always with feelings.
But
if you
everyone
see,
has feelings.
he left this one, you
Yeah.
think, so I'm this one,
but
so I'm better.
You know, it's very dangerous.
Yeah, it's very dangerous. It's not.
It's
really
very
a good
dangerous.
thing.
You are,
Yeah.
There's nobody who is better. You understand? We are all the same. You understand? And every person, you have to protect yourself from danger.
Yeah.
You know, from harm, from all these kinds. These are heartbreaking stories. You understand? And then today, many young people have given up on issues of love. You understand?
Yes.
Today, young women have given up on love issues because they have been heartbroken from one area to another area until they realize that they actually don't have value in themselves.
Or they even have no need to live. They end their lives.
They know me,
no one loves me.
And Nina Shira and all those kinds of stuff. I bet lucky, you know, this many, this. No. It's because the manner in which we are making our steps, we are not much careful and considerate. You understand? There's nobody. You cannot just go there and they find a person, you know, who have been divorced or who is just coming from a relationship, and you don't even inquire about what happened on the other side. You understand? You just want to come there and say, no, okay, it's fine.
It's my chance now.
Yeah, it's my chance. No. Don't
There's
do
no chances.
things like that. You understand? You know, a person will never love two people. That the other one will be just for sex. You understand? And the other one will be the real way his heart will be. And the things like that. For now, we can see that his heart is actually to the ex. Whatever has happened to them, you can see that the possibility. If you can sleep there, they've forgotten it. You understand? They can in good terms. They can really go back at any time.
Very much.
You understand? Because in this, you can see also that there's no commitment in this second relationship. The commitment is there to the wife. You understand? Here is just I think when this guy was disappointed, they just came to this one. You understand?
Yes.
And they started, you know, doing all. It's something that I've observed. Many people, they have that tendency. When he's disappointed from another relationship, he's quick to get another woman.
Yes.
You know, although he does not love that girl, he just wants to find a shoulder. You understand? And when he's healed, he goes back there. So nobody should really open it. And I'm talking to young women and young men. You understand? Nobody should open himself or herself to be a crying shoulder of a passing by.
Yes,
mosquito, you know, mosquito. You don't do things like that. You must be very careful. You understand? I know we are emotional people, we sympathize with other people. But our sympathy, you know, or empathy or whatever that must not lead us into, you know, until somebody takes us the advantage of us. No, we have to be careful and be cautious. You know, that no, I feel for you that you have lost a girl. I feel for you have left your boyfriend or your husband. But please, for now, let's keep us alive. You understand? Yes, let's keep us alive. You understand? So these are some of the things that we do as human beings. We just brush it aside and say, okay, no, I feel so bad for her, for him. You know, I couldn't stand him crying and all those kind of stuff. I've seen things like that.
They happen. Really.
That's the point. So for the meme here, you know, she said she's
good.
She looks very fit and is happy with me. So if the meme feels that the gentleman is happy with her, there's no need to be afraid. If a person is happy with you, why are you afraid? You understand?
Security.
So there's insecurity here, and the way there's an affair with insecurity. It's not an affair. There's no affair here. You understand? Yes, that's the point. So she must just check herself. The issue of who is happy with me. You understand? It does not mean necessarily because this guy is, when he comes there, he's always smiling.
People are pretending.
You know, people are pretending. You understand? He comes there with gifts, a flower from China. You know, in the
definitely, if you were a crying shoulder, there's no way a person will just come there. They'll make sure that they treat you very good, so that you feel also that they have done something to them.
That's the point.
It's just like they're paying back.
Exactly.
There's no way they will hate you.
They will not hate you. They will always do that.
Want to
you understand?
make you
Exactly. So if this man is truly happy, he must sleep here. He must sleep to this man.
He must sleep.
Because you cannot leave the person that you are happy with
and go to
you divorce you or who divorced you and something like that. So she must also look careful if this man is really pretending or is just playing games and then say it's genuine and things like that. Really. You know, she says that I am good to him.
So,
this is you.
Yeah,
You
we don't
understand?
know how good.
Yeah,
that
we don't
goodness.
exactly. This is what we call self-praising. You understand?
Yeah.
Yes. You cannot say you are good too. Because I don't know, maybe if he mentioned it to you, maybe. But you must also still weigh on it. It's fake, pretending. He just want to keep you there.
Yeah.
You understand? At this point in time, if you are so good, there was no need for her,
for him to go
sleep.
back. Yes.
Why is he sleeping there, leaving a good woman? So these are key points. These are, for me, these are red lights.
Yes.
So that somebody, this guy, he might pretend.
Yeah, he's just pretending.
Yes.
My sister, it's not that maybe we are attacking you. We just want to solve the issue.
We are learning from.
Yes.
We are trying to spot out
we are
these
just
things here.
trying to hit the red buttons.
The red, exactly.
Yes, we hit them so that when they are resolved, and then we know that the green light has come.
Yes. That's the point.
There's no need of saying, since you are a good woman, this man wasn't. No,
No,
we are just trying to.
Yeah.
We are just trying. We
are looking at the red spot here because the story we are hearing from her. But for me, when I'm looking at the red places here, I can see that this guy is actually pretending.
He's pretending.
I'm not sure really he's really happy with this woman. That's
just a return break that makes him to seem like he's happy.
Exactly. So we cannot, what we call, close a blind eye when we see dangers like this. You understand? Just to impress the other person. We cannot do that.
We are feeling danger for you, my sister. Exactly. We don't want this thing to go that far.
She must look carefully, critical on this thing that she's talking.
Yeah.
Do you understand? If a person is just happy with you, he always with you. You understand? If the person you are too good with the person, he will never leave you. You never sleep with the other person. Do you understand? And the things like that. So that is the other thing. The other thing that I wanted to spot out here, which I've already spoken about, is the idea of the said part, hearing from the people. It's not a good thing. When you hear something from the people, I know people can really spot something. They will always see something. But when you hear something from somebody, better do your own investigation. You understand? Instead just coming there and say, no, I just heard it from somebody. And the most people are always talking about those stories. When they are called to become live witnesses, they always say,
the women say, don't mention my name.
Don't even mention my name. Do you understand? So, when a person, it's good that this sister told you.
You are told.
Yes, it's good. Because that was the beginning for her to start doing her own investigation, connecting the dots. If it was really actually happening
or not.
Do you understand? That's the point. Yes, exactly. We must avoid the people. Said parties who are coming. People have agendas.
They do.
They have agendas. Sometimes they just don't like the person. So you will begin to bring all those kind of things like that. Especially, when you have a relative. Some relatives, they are like that. You understand? Sometimes it's not just that person. You understand? And they want to keep the person far.
Yeah, especially in issues like this, they know this person is going to the ex. And what. So they'll just make up stories.
That's
or
if
they see the guy is always going to the other lady. So they'll just make up these stories to keep you separate.
Yes. That's the point.
So you have to make your part that is it really true that this, true that this girl told you or it's not.
That's the point. You have to investigate. So the other thing that I don't understand is that my sister, the other sister told her that she has to put her foot down on this matter. So what does it mean to put her foot down?
It means to put an end. Or
you have to call it in.
Or you must just resolve it so soon and finish.
I think so. Because she said to her, I think it's inappropriate that he stayed the night at the house. Yes, it's true. We also feel it. It's inappropriate. Why should he be there? Why is he there? He used to be there while they were married. Now it's not their time for him to spend the night. That's why the ex.
Yes, now I understand why the sister says she must put her foot on the matter.
What is that?
It's because she's been ignoring the guy sleeping over to the ex.
Okay.
So now she's feeling for the sister is saying, please, put your feet on this matter. If you don't, and of course, really now I understand it very well. If she don't put her foot now, it's where it is now.
Okay.
Yes. She wanted the sister, she feels for the sister, she wants the sister to act as soon as possible, not to let this thing continue happening, because she knows my sister at the end will be hurt.
That's a point, because she's already said it. She's always getting upset when the guy is always the other side. Upsetting is justifiable. The guy was not supposed to really to be the other side there.
Yes.
You understand? So I think while she's writing to us, she also took the advice of the sister. If really the sister, told her like, please let's look at let's not ignore it.
Yes.
I think that was the better thing to do. Just to confront him and then tell him this is not right. Nobody can accept.
Yes.
That's why the ex. If they want to come together, he must just say it. That, no, I want to go back to my wife.
And her also,
Yes.
she's a witness.
Yeah.
The man is going outside the house.
Mhm.
He's sleeping somewhere else. And then you mean they'll just sleep one house while they will doing nothing?
How can you do it? How can
it's
you get
impossible.
It is impossible.
Mhm.
Do you understand? It is impossible. It's impossible.
It is.
So my sister, you know, we have been trying to check, scrutinize every word that we have, mentioned in this. We have seen certain things. We have heard what we have spoken on each point. Please, there are certain indicators that we want you to pay attention to weigh in whether this man actually mean what he means to you. Do you understand? But the point is that it is unreasonable to ask him. It's not unreasonable. It's reasonable.
Yes.
Ask him. You must ask him. And he must tell you the truth that if you want to go back to the wife, it must be clear once and for all. You are not a cushion or just
An
a jackpot
to use.
or something that no, you are not that person. You must be looking for a clean shot, a clean husband.
Yes.
Do you understand? You are not a crying shoulder for people who are failing to resolve
Or for
problems.
a footmate to dust your feet and get in.
That's the point. No. That one should come to an end. Talk to this guy, tell him what if you were just suspecting, tell him that I'm suspecting this, and this must come to an end right now. You understand? Or elsewhere, just go back to your wife.
Yes.
That's the end of the story.
Yes.
Yes. So our viewers, I think you have heard the story very well. Please, what do you think? Is it reasonable? That's the question that is asked. Is it unreasonable to ask him not to sleep over? That is a question. So put yourself in our shoe and honestly put your comment there. We will always share, as I said, your comment will be always shared in our next episode, so that this woman can fill in the gaps where we could not do our best. I may say so. So for now, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button, so that you be the first one to know. And not only that, but share it with a friend, so that we must hit a million subscribers.
Yeah.
We have to, because this show is not our show. It's their show.
It's theirs.
It's
Yes.
their
You
show.
own the show.
Yeah, you own the show. This is your show.
Yes.
Do you understand?
As we are just facilitating here, but
Exactly.
it is owned by
It's
you.
your show. It's your show. So let's make
Yes.
sure that we hit.
Yes.
Subscribe as much as we can and recommend to our friend and friend of our friends, so that we can we want to grow this channel.
Yes, yeah.
We want to grow this channel. And the issues of relationship are not issues that will end now.
As
As much as people are still being born, relationship
it will
will continue.
Yeah,
You
it will
understand?
continue.
So, this is an everlasting topic.
It's an education.
Exactly.
Education never stops.
It never stops. That's the point. That's the point. But for now, from here in the heart of Osona village, we say, yeah! Oh! Woo! This was tough. It was tough. It's tough.